On July 30, 2025, a massive earthquake struck Russia's far eastern Kamchatka Peninsula, one of the most powerful in recent memory. Minutes later, tsunami alerts spread across half the Pacific Ocean. But here's the question: why did alerts go out to countries thousands of miles away? The answer lies in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Initially recorded at magnitude 8.0, the US Geological Survey later revised it to 8.7, and some reports even put it at 8.8. The quake struck at a shallow depth of just 19 kilometers, about 125 kilometers southeast of Petropavlovsk, Kamchatsky, a coastal city with 165,000 residents. Russian authorities reported tsunami waves of 3 to 4 meters in some areas. Soon after, tsunami warnings and advisories were issued across the Pacific, including the Philippines, Indonesia, Japan, the US, Chile, Peru, Mexico, and more. In Japan, nearly 1.9 million people were evacuated to safer ground. Watch alerts went out as far as Hawaii, Alaska, and the Pacific coast of the United States. This earthquake now ranks as the largest since the 2011 Japan mega quake. Kamchatka sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped belt stretching 40,000 kilometers around the Pacific Ocean. This region is home to 75% of the world's active volcanoes and nearly 90% of its earthquakes. The Ring of Fire runs from the southern tip of South America up the west coast of North America, across Alaska, through Japan, the Philippines, Indonesia, and down to New Zealand. Here, tectonic plates meet, often in subduction zones, where one plate slips beneath another, melting rock into magma, fueling volcanic eruptions and triggering earthquakes. From Alaska's Aleutian Islands and South America's Andes Mountains to Japan's Mount Fuji, Indonesia's Krakatoa, New Zealand's Mount Ruafehu, all are part of this ring. It's also behind disasters like the 1906 San Francisco earthquake and the 2011 Japan tsunami. Because this quake struck beneath the ocean at a shallow depth, it displaced a massive volume of water. That displacement can send tsunami waves racing across the Pacific, even reaching coastlines over 5,000 kilometers away. The Ring of Fire is a reminder of nature's raw power. We cannot stop earthquakes or tsunamis, but with timely alerts and preparedness, lives can be saved. Stay aware, stay safe.